Well, good afternoon, everybody. I hope you're having an awesome day. I was watching back one of my videos the other day. I love actually walking and doing the videos. However, the hardest part about it is, one, I have to learn to slow down walking because I just feel like I'm like, and I'm not even going up mountains, but you know, I'm just like, my level of fitness is not where it needs to be. So I just need to kind of slow that down a little bit. So I don't feel as much like I'm breathing in your ear. That, and in general, I just have always been a very fast talker. And so I'm really trying to make a conscious effort to slow that down. So one, I can think through my thoughts. And two, your brain's not ready to explode. But it's a nice afternoon. We actually have a little bit of I don't want to say cooler temps, but the humidity's been a little bit more bearable the last couple of days because I don't know, that hurricane that's out in the Atlantic side has kind of brought us, for Florida standards, a little bit of relief. But today I wanted to talk about what decision did I make regarding my cell phone when I'm over in Thailand. And I had Verizon. I've had Verizon since, holy mackerel, I think like since 1999. And so I've never had another service. I've never tried another cell phone service, anybody else. I kept it. I've had Verizon for so long that when we lived in California and moved back out to my home state of New York, we had to change phone numbers because you couldn't just keep your same phone number like you can nowadays, where you can move wherever. And I'm going to show you, really prove that point to you right now. So that's how long I was with Verizon. They didn't really have a good international plan that's like something that you can use on a regular basis. It was going to cost me $10 a day. So if I just sent one text in a day, it was $10. So my choice was to just get a whole new plan when I get over in Thailand, or just stay out of reach and only use my phone so many days, because that would have been $300 a month. I decided to jump online, a trusty old YouTube where we all go now to learn so much. And for the first time I had heard about Google Fi. And so I had never heard of Google Fi before, but what I decided to do was switch over to the Google Fi service. Well, obviously from the name, it's owned by Google, but the difference is that Google Fi, and you'll have to forgive me, I have some notes. It works just like my Verizon or Mint or whatever you may have. It works internationally, and most important, I was able to keep the phone number that I have had, since 2001. And why is that important? Well, one of the reasons why it's important is because you have the two-factor authentication, and of course your phone number's on all of your, accounts and so forth. So if you can keep your phone number that you've had for so long, it just makes life a lot easier. So I was able to just keep that phone number, sign up for a Google Fi account, and within an hour, without even leaving my living room, I was on Google Fi, and my Verizon service had been canceled. Isn't that crazy? The world today is just crazy. But so I currently have the plan where I have unlimited data, but the only caveat with the unlimited data is that I have unlimited data as long as I'm in the United States. Once I've been out of the United States for 90 days, my unlimited data plan comes to an end, and then I'll be required to purchase an eSIM. I have the capability on my phone to have an eSIM, but if not an eSIM, then you would have to get a SIM card in order for you to have data. Now, if you have Wi-Fi where you're staying and so forth, a lot of that is going to be irrelevant. So I can do an eSIM. So if I need data, I'll be able to purchase the data that I need through Airalo, and just through an app just loaded onto my card. When I come back into the States, then I'll have unlimited data again, and then I'll have unlimited data for 90 days until after I leave the States. So it's a little wonky in that regards, but the fact that I'm able to keep service, keep the number. As soon as I land in Thailand, I have phone service. I don't have to go and do anything crazy. I'll have service to do whatever I need as soon as I get off the plane. So my bill is $72.56 currently with taxes and fees. Now, I could opt to lower the plan down once I no longer have unlimited data, but we take things one thing at a time right now. So that's not a bad deal. And I will probably stick with that for right now because I just don't have any interruptions in my communication with my family and friends and where I'm at and with my phone number and being able to communicate with my bank. I'll drop a referral link in the description if you're interested in checking out Google Fi. If you use that link, you'll get a $60 credit on your new account, and that'll give you an opportunity to check it out and see if Google Fi is the right cell phone plan for you. So I'm going to head back to the car now and get out of this heat and away from the mosquitoes. But if you have a different type of plan that you use for your cell phone, I'd be interested in hearing that. I feel like right now Google Fi is the best option for me, and certainly if I decide to permanently move to another country, I would probably change that out just because it will be a lot cheaper. But for now, in my needs, I'm gonna just keep Google Fi, and I'll keep you updated on how it works. But I've been using it now for about a month, and everything's been seamless. You wouldn't even know that I'm on a different service. All right, y'all, take care. Have a great day. Until next time, thanks for watching.